Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the correct Netflix account email or phone. If you get a password error, make sure your device clock and network are accurate because mismatched time can block logins. Once done, gather recovery access, the email inbox or phone for the verification code so you can proceed without delay. You'll use these right away to reset or verify credentials. This avoids wasted attempts that trigger lockouts. Next, trigger a secure reset via Netflix's Forgot Password flow. Choose email or SMS recovery, then check your inbox and the spam folder. Many codes land there. When you receive the link or code, follow it promptly. Expired links often cause repeated errors. Create a strong, unique password of at least 12 characters and confirm it exactly. Make sure autofill doesn't insert an old password. Manually type the new one on your first login to avoid mismatches. Finally, log in on a single device and confirm playback to ensure the password change propagated. If you see unknown devices, you sign out of all devices from account settings and then log back in with your new password. Make sure saved passwords in browsers or password managers are updated to avoid auto-entering the old one. If you still get errors, retry the reset once and then contact Netflix support. Make sure to note error messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.